We're solving problem 22 from the 2019 AMC12A. Circles omega and gamma, both centered at O, have radii 20 and 17 respectively. Equilateral triangle ABC, whose interior lies in the interior of omega but in the exterior of gamma, has vertex A on omega, and the line containing side BC is tangent to gamma. Segments AO and BC intersect at P, and BP over CP is 3. Then AB can be written in the form m over root n minus p over root q for positive integers m and pq, with GCD of m and n equals the GCD of p and q is 1. What is the sum of m plus n plus p plus q? So basically, all these four numbers, m, n, p, and q, are relatively prime in this statement here. So what we can first notice is that through a series of angles, well, we have triangle OSP has a right angle, and well, another one of these triangles has a right angle. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a triangle PAM. PMA has a right angle, even though it's on the other side, it has a right angle. And this angle, MAP, is equal to angle AOS. So thus, we have triangle PMA is similar to triangle POS, or whatever you want to denote it in. So, thus, if we have side length, say, we use a lowercase s, assume that's a capital S at that point, lowercase s to represent AB, then what we can do is we can use properties of the similar triangles to find equations for S and eventually solve for S. So we have length AM in relation to S. That is going to be root 3 over 2S. We have PM, which is simply 5 over 4. And then we have AP, which is root 13 over 4S. Thus, we have AM over AP is equal to 2 root 3 over root 13. We know, or we can find in this case that AM plus SO all over AO is equal to AM over AP, which we know is 2 root 3 over root 13. We can plug these values in. AM is root 3 over 2S plus 17 over 20 is equal to 2 root 3 over root 13. Now, what you do is just multiply 20 over, subtract 17, and divide by root 3 over 2 to solve for S, basically isolating the variable. This is all you do. Then you get S is equal to 80 over root 13, I believe, minus 34 over 3. So what you want to do is get in the form of this and check that they're all relatively prime, and they are. So we sum these four numbers, 80 plus 34 plus 13 plus 3. 13 plus 3 is 16, plus 34 is 50, plus 80 is 130. Answer choice E is our answer for this test.